Well, we're on a little creek chub excursion. And we got that one there, you see. I keep hooking up here. I keep losing them. Not hooked too good. You know, get them down on the bottom. Go to check tension and they're on there, but that long shank hook I'm using, my trout magnet hook, should switch up to a little 14. There we go. There we go. Another chub. Alright, buddy, in the bucket you go. Wow, I might end up jumping out here if I don't do this. Sometimes they want to be. There we go. Oop, he's off. He's off. We had him. There's a good hit. Woo! Fat chub. Pretty doggone big here. I don't know. Might be a little bit too big. Alright, come back here. Come back here. Come on. Get in the drink. And jump out in my car. There. I'm going to cover you up. Alright. We seem to be on them. Do some catfishing, walleye fishing tonight. Walleye tonight. Oh. Got some fish, man. Sorry I'm not narrating too good today. There we go. There we go. Another chub. Another chub for the bucket. Alright, what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 to go. There you go. Alright, still getting the old shad. Oh, fuck, I'm bleeding or something? What gizzards? I called it gizzard shad. Creek chubs. Should have brought a bigger bucket.